Okay, so Shift A, cylinder. Go into edit mode, select this bottom face here, press S, move your mouse inward a bit to make it a, more of a V shape. I'm gonna pull it down a bit. So press E to extrude this top face, right click, S to scale it out a bit. Just gonna pull it up a little bit. Then E to give it this little lip. So the top face, press I, move your mouse inwards a bit. So press E to go down a little bit like that. In object mode, right click, shade auto smooth. Okay, so Shift A, get a plane, hop into edit mode, Control R, use your middle mouse wheel to add loop cuts. Left click, right click, vertice select, select the proportional editing. So when you move this, you get the circle. You can move with the middle mouse button. So I'm just going to make it a bit pointy. Select the middle line, and then with proportional editing still turned on, just going to move it down a bit, like that. Still in edit mode. Press A to select all of it, and just press E, extrude out a little bit, like that. Shade auto smooth. Go to a face select and select these bottom edges by holding Shift and left clicking. So I'm going to go scale tool. I'm just going to scale that down a bit, like that. Have it in object mode. Hold Control, rotate that 90 degrees. Scale that down a bit. Middle mouse button on the number pad will zoom your camera in to the selected object. I'm going to press S to scale it down a bit. So using Shift and D, I'm just duplicating and moving these objects around. I'm going to pull these a bit more inwards. If you just make sure to scale them to different sizes and give them some different rotations. And I'm just going to fill in like the circle. So duplicate another one of them, go to the middle. So I'm going to do like another inner ring of the plant, but we're going to make it bigger. So like these ones will go in between these ones. Okay, so now we have like the plant in the middle. So since all these are the same objects, we're just going to go in and change a few of them. So select one, hit edit mode, Control R, goes one of these lines, left click, just add a loop cut in there. Go to rotate, proportional editing still turned on. Local axis up here. Yeah, so local proportional editing, hold Alt, and then Shift Alt left click. So I get these two lines up here. So you want to rotate the object. Scale this down so you don't affect the base using the middle mouse wheel by scrolling. So we're making these like pointy bits come out. So select these two again. Pull that out, rotate that down. I'm going to duplicate this, go back to global. I'm going to move this over here, but I'm just going to scale it down a bit. So I'm just adding loop cuts in using just to rotate some of these. Control R, left click, pull up a bit. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. So we've left an edge around this bottom bit here, and then we've slowly built up the layers of the plant. So we've got like the smaller ones, and they build up. These go in between these ones to fill it out. So with box selection on, just left click, hover over all that. So like shift and left click that big one. Right click, join. So it's all one object now. So add a material to that. Make that a green color. Add a material to that. Make that a brown color. Left click this grass, hold shift, left click the pot, right click, join. So then hop into edit mode. Face select this face here, because this needs to be dirt. So it needs to be a different color than the pot. So plus a new material, base color. Assign that. I'm gonna make this part a bit more orangey, I think. So yeah, there you go. That's how you make a quick potted plant. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.